Hey, if you're looking for the fastest way to share your photos and videos between your Apple devices, so here's how you can use your AirDrop on your iPhone 17 Pro Max running with iOS 26. So first thing, you have to swipe down your control center, and from this connection section, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and now tap on this AirDrop section. And from here, select this everyone for 10 minutes option. Now go back to your Photos app and select the photos or videos you want to share. Then go to this share button and tap on this AirDrop option. And now you have to make sure both Apple devices are close to each other. And now on the receiver devices, from the control center, turn on Bluetooth and AirDrop, and also select everyone for 10 minutes. And once you see the receiver name appear in your AirDrop list, just tap it, and the receiver just has to accept the transfer. And that's it. And your file will be sent instantly and securely. But wait, there have another easy way to enable this by bringing devices together feature. So from your settings, then general, and from this AirDrop option, you can enable this option from here. And also this lets you share files just by bringing your iPhone close together. Isn't it super cool? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.